Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park level with engine cold and set the brakes so pressure is stable. Put a drain pan under the radiator and loosen the radiator cap to relieve vacuum. This helps the coolant flow out. Locate the lower radiator drain valve or remove the lower radiator hose. Use gloves to avoid hot fluid. Once done, open the drain and let the coolant empty until the flow slows. This initial drain removes most old coolant and the bulk of contaminants. Now you flush and refill. After draining, run distilled water through the radiator or use a flush solution if there's heavy debris. This clears sediment and residue. Make sure to close the drain and securely reattach any hoses and clamps. A loose clamp causes leaks. Mix the manufacturer-recommended coolant at a 50/50 ratio with distilled water and slowly fill the system to the radiator neck. As you fill, gently squeeze lower hoses to help purge trapped air, because air pockets cause overheating. Finish by bleeding and verifying. Start the engine with the heater on high and allow it to reach operating temperature so the thermostat opens. This circulates coolant and forces trapped air to escape. Monitor the temperature gauge and top off at the radiator neck or overflow reservoir as bubbles subside. Finally, inspect for leaks around the drain, hose connections, and thermostat housing. If the car overheats or you see low flow, re-bleed the system and inspect the water pump or thermostat as the likely cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.